Respiratory and endocrine system. The upper respiratory system consists of the nose, the pharynx and the larynx, and the upper half of the trachea. The lower respiratory system, the lower half of the trachea, and the bronchi, and the right and left lung. We have the two lungs, right and left. The right consists of three lobes, upper, middle, and lower, and the left consists of two lobes, upper and lower, and in between we have the heart. This is the thyroid cartilage. One of the cartilages is the larynx, and below we have the trachea, and then we have the bifurcation of trachea into left main bronchus and right main bronchus. The trachea consists of a tube about 6 inches in length, and it is provided with incomplete teeth-shaped tracheal veins, which are incomplete posteriorly, and then at the sternal angle it divided into right main bronchus and left main bronchus. Consists of two lobes, upper and lower, separated by the oblique fissure, and it has an apex and base, and the anterior border presents a depression which is called a notch or the cardiac notch for the apex of the heart, and below the notch we have the projection which is called the lingula. Lung consists of three lobes, upper, middle, and lower, and we have two fissures, oblique fissure and transverse fissure, and we have the apex and the base. The endocrine glands, we have the thyroid gland here in front of the trachea. It's the butterfly consisting of two lobes connected by an isthmus. We have the two lungs, right and left. The right consists of three lobes, upper, middle, and lower, and the left consists of right suprarenal gland on the upper pole of the right kidney, and the left suprarenal gland on the upper pole of the left kidney.